Welcome back to Dirty Water, Coins and Collectibles. I am the Irish Italian, and today we have a $50 hunt. Now this $50 box is different than any other $50 box that I've hunted before, and you'll find out why in a little bit. If you saw my short video that I posted recently about the $50, you'll already know why. But if you have not, you gotta wait to see what I found in this box. So we're gonna hunt this box for silver, proofs, NIFCs, the 1987 NIFC, no FGs, foreigns. So I'll probably do the top row. When I get to what I found in this box, I will bring you in for it. If I come across anything else that's fun, I will bring you in for it. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, here's our first find. I'm on roll number 13. And we have an NIFC 2021 out of Philly. Roll number 16 gives us another NIFC. The 2004 out of Philly. Alright, so I've opened up 17 rolls so far. Here's our checkers. We had 2 NIFCs so far. And you might be wondering, Dirty, why are you bringing us in for NIFCs already? You don't ever do that. Well, there is a reason. So when I got this $50 box home, I checked them for enders, and when I was doing so, I did find a silver ender, but it's not what you think it is. Maybe it is. Maybe you saw the short. But let's check out what we have for silver in this box. So I have the first 2 rows here, the next row there, and we have a silver ring. So we got ourselves a sterling silver ring in the $50 box. That is a first for me. You can see right there it says 925. Try to get it to focus, but it's very hard to do that with one hand. So that's really cool. So we have silver in the box. Just not the kind of silver that you would normally find in a $50 box. So that's really cool. So those so far are our finds. So let's keep this hunt going. Hopefully I can find some silver in the rolls, and if not, maybe we'll find some varieties. But I'm pretty stoked with that. Alright, see you in a second. Alright, those last few rolls, we got a 2002 pretty beat up Philly NIFC, but that's not all. We also have a 1987 clad proof. This is not in the best shape, but I'll take it. I wasn't expecting anything out of this box. Just don't really have the greatest luck with these. I have found some proofs recently, but I'll take that for sure. Alright, let me go through these, and then I'll start into the next 25, and I'll bring you back in for those, and then we'll do the final wrap-up. See you in a second. Alright, I'm actually surprised with this box. So we got another proof that actually isn't in bad shape. It probably just needs to be kind of acetone dipped. See how shiny it still is. It's very cloudy right now. We have a 2007 P with that god-awful J ink mark, and a 2010 D with the same ridiculous mark. And then down here, I have a 1996 Clash die, which I'll show you in a second. If it wasn't a damaged coin, this is probably the best Clash for this that I've seen. Probably better than the one that's on Mad Die Clashes. Then we have this 1982 no FG, which I'll show you that in a second. And then this 1974 with what appears to be a strike through. Now I can't tell 100% for sure, but it doesn't look like there's any displaced metal. If I flip it over down the bottom here, there's no damage. I mean, it's a thin, light strike through, if it is one. It could be through some sort of ribbon. Again, I'll put this under the scope. It kind of comes up this way and then up by the B. There's some little fibers out here. So let me get these three under the scope so I can show you what we're looking at. We'll start with this 96. So we have the typical clashing under the ear and in here and out here. So let me rotate that so you can see. So you can see right under the ear the clash marks under here, and then up under the chin line you have the clash marks, and then under right in his throat area you have more clashing right in here. But this part on the reverse is the best. So on all of the other ones that I have found, it's just a light bump. You can just tell that there's metal displacement because of the lighting, but this one is pretty severe. I mean, it goes right from the neck all the way up through the sun rays. So that one's really good. I didn't see much of anything else in terms of clashing, but that's really cool. Maybe something, no, that's just damage. All right, so let me get that one. Then we have the 1982 no FG. That's a legitimate no FG. You'd see the initial in here, F and G, and that is completely missing, which from the looks of it, that's an over abraded die. I don't really see much signs of a grease strike. That's just wear on the coin. So we have the no FG, and let me show you this 74. I'll try to keep the shadowing good. It looks like a question mark. So it has right here, it comes up around under the eye, and you can see a little bit of a dent in the eye. And it comes up here with a little circle. It's a confused question mark right in here. And then it comes up into here, and then it comes back this way. But you see some like fibers in that area there. A little bit in front of the B. So looks like something right in here, out here, all kinds of fibers in here. Very fibrous right in there. So I don't know. It looks like a strike through to me. Just a lot going on with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below if this looks like a strike through to you. I'm trying to see if I can find any other signs of fibers. But it looks pretty good to me. I think that's a strike through. Yeah, I mean, look at that in there. All right, let me go through these checkers, see if there's anything else that we have. But I'm happy with this hunt. Plus, we had silver. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's our finds from our $50 hunt. 50 rolls hunted. We got a 1972 hold coin. We have a 2002 Philly NIFC, 2004 Denver NIFC, 2004 Philly NIFC, 2007 Philly NIFC, 2010 Denver NIFC, and a 2021 Philly NIFC. We have a 1972 S clad proof, a 1987 S clad proof. We have our 1996 Clash die, 1974 with the potential of having a strike through, a 1982 No FG. I want to show you this on the proof, on both proofs actually. This one here has some weird, it looks like machine doubling. I'm not sure myself. I think it's kind of odd for proof coins. And see that S? I'm not talking about the doubling looking thing here, but how smaller the curve is here and how deeper the curve is here. Pay attention to that real quick. And just check out the rest of this machine doubling. That's what I wanted to show you here. But the S, now look at this. When I put the 87 under, look at this S. Is that an inverted S? So you get a longer swoop here and then it's shorter here. It comes out further here and less here. I have to look this up. I don't know if there's an inverted S for the 87 clad proof, but just wanted to point that out. Then the find of the hunt is the silver ring. That's so cool. You can see here it says 925 right there. But that's really cool looking. I couldn't believe that when I opened up the box. That's got to be one of the coolest finds in a box. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was better than I expected. I thought we were just going to get the ring, which would have been fine with me. But we got a couple of proofs. We have a no FG. We have a potential strike through. Pretty cool Clash die. Some NIFCs. So if you enjoyed this hunt, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It really does help out the channel. hit that notification bell so you get notified on all of my upcoming hunts. Tap that like button. Helps these videos and my channel make its way through YouTube's algorithm. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you on the next one.